Good morning, YouTube. It's been a long week, and it's only Monday. Funny how that works. Anyway, last week kind of sucked, and it's crazy because that's the week I actually should have been trading. Because, like, Alexa, what was the date of last Monday?
15th of April.
15th. Like, look, price stayed between the entire week. Alexa, stop, cancel, stop. 93 minus 75 is like 20 something. Don't talk about me right now. I can't do math. It's a rough day. So 20 something. 92 plus 75 is like what, 60 something. I would rather give space upwards. Let's just look this direction. As long as we at the let me see. Let's just play around building something. What's my date? 22nd. Let me just make sure I'm not crazy right now. Oh, 49. Yeah, I'm crazy right now. That's okay. 49.20. I knew something was off, man. Cause I'm looking at the numbers over here and it's just not looking too good. This is our box. We're gonna stay within that box for today 100%. We can bring this down to like 50, 60. So we can do that to 60 and do that to 65. That brings us to $20 and risk 480. I don't like that. We're 49.90 right now. Can we move this up? If we go 80 in both directions, what's that? 4,900. And then what's 90 plus 80? Like 70. Dang, man, this is the box. Unless we go wider on the top legs. That's the box. I don't want to take that small of a whatever. I mean, I could make $20 and risk 400. You gonna win, but it's like, on the odds that you don't win, you screwed. And that's the issue that we're starting to have with these spreads, man. Like, if I move the date out to the 23rd, no real news today, so it's gonna be a slow day. 3-month bill auctions, that ain't nothing. Tomorrow we got PMI flash. Nothing really tomorrow. Nothing really Wednesday. Durable goods, I don't care about that. Thursday, nothing much. I think we got big news next week, so this week will probably be slow. PCE is that Friday? Yeah, that's Friday. Okay. Yeah, like it's not even worth it. If we're gonna keep it a stack, it's not worth it. Let's try something else. Because I'm just really turned off by this. Can we duplicate that? Change it, and I want to analyze this. What's 2 days out is going to be the 24th. Let's look at this. How wide can we go if we look at this wide as crap? Can it stay there for 2 days? I have no idea. Honestly, don't want to risk it. I'd probably get this and close tomorrow evening if we can. So why not? I'm gonna just try it. Right now it's 90 bucks. I'll get this. I'll try it. Why the freak not? So let me just put this up so you guys can see the trade I'm gonna take. And boom. We'll see what happens. Y'all got any questions, leave them.